Hi everyone, welcome to week 6 of English 122 online. This week we're going to be doing a little bit more reading than we have in the past, but a little less writing, so the balance will be a little bit different. Let's get into exactly what you need to know. If you look at the overview page, you'll see that there's nothing due on Wednesday like there normally is. So I would encourage you though to get started early on the readings that you have this week, because if you wait till the end of the week to do all of them, it's going to be a lot. So start early. By Sunday, I want you to have read the 3 articles that are assigned and then complete your process portfolio entry for the week. Each page in the module gives you information about the articles that I want you to read, and each of these is a literacy narrative from different people, and I think that's going to be really helpful for you now as you're working on your own literacy narrative to read literacy narratives from other people. So think about how the experiences of these other people that you're reading about might be similar or different to your own, and maybe it'll help jog your memory or help you see some of your past experiences and make connections between your identity as a writer or how those experiences have shaped the different literacies that you possess. So the first article is called Learning to Read by Malcolm X. The second article is an excerpt from a book called Bootstraps from an American Academic of Color by Victor Villanueva. And the third article is called Chinks in My Armor by Julie Wan. And this one I think is especially cool because Julie Wan wrote this as a student in a first-year writing class, just like the one you're in. She went to a school in Florida, but it's just a really well-written article about her experience coming from China to the United States, not being a native English speaker, when she started attending school here in the U.S., and how those experiences have shaped her identity as a writer and her different literacies. So really, I think an especially cool article there. Now, the last thing to do this week is your Week 6 process portfolio entry, and you'll see that in this one, I'm asking you to consider these different articles. So you need to read them first, and then think about how the different experiences that you read about shape the literacy narratives of the 3 different authors. So I want you to think about how their stories were similar, how they were different, and what you can learn about these examples of literacy narratives that can help you as you're writing your own narrative. So please make sure that you're putting some effort into these process portfolio entries. I've really enjoyed reading them. Sometimes, though, it's easy to just kind of write a sentence or two and maybe not take as much time really engaged in thought. Since this is the only writing assignment you have this week, I want you to really take some time to think about what do these literacy narratives mean and how can they help you with your own literacy narrative. So I hope that's helpful. If you have questions, of course, email me. I enjoy hearing from you. I've heard from several of you so far, and I'm always eager to help. Thanks, everyone.